Case name Sai Kalyan, age is 25 years and today date is 5th of November 2024. Complaint of high-pitched voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
My name is Kalyan and I am 25 years old and I came from Andhra Pradesh. I have high-pitched voice problem, so I came here for voice therapy.
Post-therapy video of Sai Kalyan and today date is 12th of November 2024. I want speech sample after treatment. Why you came and how do you feel now?
Myself Kalyan and I am 25 years old and I came from Andhra Pradesh. So I came here to cure my high-pitched voice problem. So being working at software industry, it is very important to have a correct voice. So which increase your confidence level to another level. So that was missing for me earlier. After coming here, I am able to talk with a male voice and all.
Okay, so have you spoken to any of your friends after the treatment and what was the reaction?
I spoke to my cousin and she was amazed with my new voice. She was unable to identify me.
Okay, can we use a video for awareness purpose?
Yes, of course.
In social media pages?
Yes.
And can you tell in Telugu, in your mother tongue, what was the problem? How do you feel now?
సో నేను ఇక్కడికి హై పిచ్ వాయిస్ ప్రాబ్లం మీద వచ్చాను అండ్ చాలామంది ఫీమేల్ వాయిస్ ఉందన్నారు. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక సంజయ్ సార్ ద్వారా అలాగ మేల్ వాయిస్ వచ్చింది అండ్ నా కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ లెవెల్ కూడా బాగా పెరిగింది.
Okay, so those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in Sai's voice, please share this video, like this video, so that people are struggling for this kind of problem, they can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place to get treated. Thanks for watching.